Just inside the high-performance home in Atlanta that my family has just finished building, there is a special room. It's my favorite room, aside from the crawl space in this house, which you would see if you came for training in our training center. Welcome to the Building Performance Workshop new training center. Just like any legit training center, we have normal stuff like a coffee maker, water, we have tissues and napkins and hand sanitizer. Speaking of which, in pandemic times here, we've got seating for 7. That gives each person an 8-foot personal space around them. Everybody's wearing masks right now. We also have a lot of ventilation, which I'll discuss in just a minute. We have a full bath. You can use the restroom in style. And also, if you decide to bike here and you want to take a shower when you get to the training center, you could totally do that. In the room, we have all kinds of testing tools because of course, testing is what you would come here to study. Testing is my specialty. So we've got all kinds of demonstration devices that will help to get you hands-on with testing all of this stuff. In addition, this room is very well ventilated. As I mentioned before, we have fresh air. We've got stale air leaving the room at a rate of 150 CFM, and we've got fresh air coming in to replace that. It's a pressure balanced room. We also have a HEPA filtration loop. That basically means that all of the air inside this room is refreshed completely to HEPA standards, which is basically what you'd feel in a hospital, and with fresh outdoor air about every hour while training is happening. We also have a dedicated dehumidifier. Everything is running right now, so it's a pretty quiet space. Also, we're 5 minutes away from the busiest airport in the world, and you won't hear planes coming and going all the time because the airtight and insulated construction. So aside from the testing demos that we've got in this room, we also have this beautiful house to be able to get hands-on with and test, especially if we go down to the crawl space. We take lunch. Every 4-hour course that I've got, and full day courses obviously, we have lunch served. And we would eat out on our beautiful deck. You can see that we're in the middle of Atlanta, but we're also on 2.5 acres here, and so you can't see any other houses. It's a pretty sweet setup. We have hybrid options. If you're not able to make it and fly into our amazing airport here and come to our location, that's perfectly fine. You can still attend online. You can see all of the upcoming trainings on our website. We've got lots and lots of things coming up as far as design and installation and testing of these higher performance systems for homes. Thank you very much for watching our channel. And you know I love making videos, but I would love even more training people in person. So I hope to see some of you in our training center here in Atlanta. Thanks very much for watching. Tune in next time.